Hey, that's a great question, and what it costs to get started with this business model is relatively cheap compared to other business models. So what you're going to need is a sales funnel software, and there's plenty of them out there. I personally use ClickFunnels, which is $97 a month, but you don't have to use ClickFunnels. There is a free alternative. And I also use GetResponse, which I pay $50 a month for. Again, there is also a free alternative, which I'll show you in a minute. Now, what you're also going to need is a professional domain. These usually cost between $10 to $20 for a whole year. And also a professional email, which is something around $6 to $10 a month. So let me show you a free software that you can use to build a sales funnel and also an email autoresponder. So this software is called System.io. They have a free plan that gives you access to all the tools and features that you're going to need in order to get started. And if you ever need access to more features, you can just always upgrade your plan later on down the line. Now, if you are a complete beginner when it comes to getting started with affiliate marketing, I would recommend investing into a program that shows you step by step how to set everything up and how to actually start getting results. Now, you can try to learn how to figure all this out just by watching YouTube videos, and that's something that I did when I first got started. I spent about 4 months doing that and got nowhere. Now, if you are interested in learning from a program step by step, but you really don't know which one to go with because there's plenty of them out there, there's a program that I've gone through myself, and I would recommend it to anybody who's looking to get started, even as a complete beginner. You can find that in the link in my profile.